Let's start with our daily current affairs. Today is 16 July 2020. Now it's my humble request to all of you to watch it in 2K or 1.5K speed if required. So here's our first news. Many news is coming across about IIT Delhi. So what happened is now our HRD ministry. You must be aware of our HRD minister who is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. So our HRD minister has launched CoroSure. What is CoroSure? It is a diagnostic kit which is developed by IIT Delhi. Okay, and it is the world's most affordable one. So it's a world most affordable diagnostic kit CoroSure जो कि अभी हाल फिलहाल में IIT दिल्ली ने बनाया है. Moving towards next one. RBI. RBI आपको मालूम है, you all know Reserve Bank of India, our Central Bank of India. Okay, so recently it has set up a six-member committee which is now being headed by Deepak Pathak. Okay, and why it is constituted? It is constituted because to study QR codes. You all have used QR codes, right? So to study those QR codes which can help processing contactless transaction. Okay, so in shortly, to for the safety purpose, a committee, six-member committee, Deepak Pathak, who is been heading this committee, okay, will study these QR codes, and this committee has been constituted by RBI. That's it. You have to understand. Okay, for your exam purpose, the blue notes, okay, blue coded notes, and the red one, that much also you have to remember. Okay, that's that much only. It will help you in your exams. So moving towards next question. Hashtag cyber. Okay, this is one of the campaign which is launched by Telangana government, which is to stop cybercrime. In short, Cyber Har, it's a campaign launched by which state government? Telangana government, to stop साइबर क्राइम. आपको सिर्फ ये याद रखना पड़ता है करंट अफेयर्स में कि किसने किया, क्यों किया और कहाँ किया. रिमेनिंग ऑल फैक्ट्स आपको याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं. करंट अफेयर्स का मतलब इट इज़ ओनली फॉर द की पॉइंट्स. ओके, ओनली MCQs फॉर्मेट you have to understand. So moving to next question. One news came across which is about DAC, but that is not it is not belongs to any competitive exam. So only one thing you have to remember in this, the its abbreviation. So abbreviation will be asked in any exam, whether it is railway exam, whether it is your banking exam, SSC exam. So in every exam it will ask you the full form of it. Okay, so DAC you have to remember, Defense Acquisition Council. In any exam it may ask what this A denotes, so that you have to give the answer, that is acquisition. Okay, so you have to remember DAC, which is Defense Acquisition Council, is its full form. Now moving towards next question. Okay, you must be aware about some ministries. Okay, their names. So here one comes, that is Union Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Okay, this is a ministry which is headed by Mahendra Nath Pandey. Okay, actually he inaugurated, it means it is inaugurated online. Okay, through video conferencing. So what he has inaugurated, he has inaugurated a National Skill Training Institute. Okay, short form is NSTI. So National Skill Training Institute, where in Impal. Okay, who inaugurated? Mahendranath Pandey. Who is Mahendranath Pandey? He is Union Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Next question. One news came, only you have to remember this. They will ask you where this Poba Reserve Forest will is located. Okay, so you have to answer it in Assam. Okay, and now government has decided to convert this Poba Reserve Forest into wildlife sanctuary. Recently, it has not converted, but they are soon they may soon upgrade it to wildlife sanctuary. Okay, so they may ask you in your upcoming exams like where this Poba Reserve Forest will is situated or located. Okay, so in Assam you have to remember. Next, ADB. ADB you must be aware of. ADB means Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank. It's a type of bank. Okay, it is known worldwide. Okay, so ADB it has 68 countries. You can see at the end here I have written 68 countries means within this ADB Asian Development Bank 68 countries are constituted. Okay, now recent news came up that Ashok Lavasa, who is now an election commissioner, Ashok Lavasa has named as the new vice president of Asian Development Bank. Okay, where this is located, what I'm asking, Asian Development Bank, where it is located. So Asian Development Bank is located in Mandaluyong, Philippines. Okay, Philippines it is located. So its new vice president being named as Ashok Lavasa, that you have to remember. Next is N. Chandrasekaram and Jim Taichet. N. Chandrasekaran and Jim Taichet. They both have received USIB USIBC Global Leadership Award 2020. Okay, so in exams it will ask you who has received USIBC Global Leadership Award 2020. So there you have to give answer N. Chandrasekaran and Jim Taichek. Okay, next. This person you are very well aware of, who? Brett Lee, one of great cricketer. Okay, so great cricketer and okay, Brett Lee. So recently, Brett Lee became the ambassador of Sports Adda. Okay, he became the ambassador of Sports Adda. Next, recently one more news came from the HRD ministry. HRD ministry, I have conveyed you the HRD minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. You must be aware of this name. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He is our HRD minister. Okay, he constituted guidelines on digital education. Related digital education. He has constituted guidelines and whose name is Pragyata. Okay, Pragyata. This name you have to remember. Next, so Delhi. One news came from Delhi. Here recently, what has happened? Shripad Naik. Shripad Naik, Raksha Rajya Mantri Shripad Naik. Okay, Raksha Rajya Mantri Shripad Naik has inaugurated 5th edition of Conference on Aerospace and Defense Manufacturing Technology. Simply, you have to remember that 5th edition of what? Of a conference. Which conference? Aerospace and Defense Manufacturing Technology. Okay, who has inaugurated? Raksha Rajya. Okay, so Raksha Rajya Mantri Shripad Naik. Raksha Rajya Mantri has inaugurated 5th edition of conference. Next, uh, it must be having theme, right? So theme is empowering India with Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. Theme is empowering India with Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. Recently, Modi government has announced that all of us have to involve in some vocal for local, right? So that means everyone, whether it is an entrepreneur or any upcoming entrepreneurship, okay, any upcoming startup, so those people must be there for vocal for local. They must promote their indigenous products, right? So for that purpose, so to make our country independent, right? टू जैसे चाइना से हमें हम ज़्यादा इंपोर्ट करते थे उसे हमें स्टॉप करना है ओके टू स्टॉप दैट रूट to make a country self-dependent. So for that purpose, everyone is involved in their activities. Everyone is upcoming coming with a new innovation, right? Recently Geo Industries also releasing some initiative, okay, like mobile phone manufacturing unit, okay, and 5G and 4G networks. So many technologies being upcoming right now. So in a individual level we should also try that we should use products related to India itself, okay. next Next news is coming up from Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh government is the government, I think, has launching many schemes, right? So many Charan Paduka, we can say Charan Paduka scheme, many schemes they are launching. Intezar Aapka campaign. So many campaigns, many schemes being launched by this government, Madhya Pradesh government. So I can say, or we can say that this government is highly active as compared to other states. So Madhya Pradesh government has approved giving my financial assistance of 5,000 rupees to the acid attack victims. Okay, so whoever person has been victim of acid attack, or he or she must be given a financial assistance of rupees 5,000 rupees per monthly. Okay, so that's a decision which Madhya Pradesh government has taken. Now we can talk about Hyderabad. Hyderabad news is coming. There is an international airport whose name is GMR Hyderabad International Airport. Okay, this has become or introduced first airport contactless car parking. So here we can park the car without contacting to any person, right? So first contactless airport car parking. So this Hyderabad GMR Hyderabad International Airport has become and introduced first airport contactless car parking. Okay, only the state will or the city's name will be asked in the exam. So there you have to remember Hyderabad. Next question is coming up from Google. Google you all aware about. If in a high tech company like Geo Platform, one of the subsidiary of Reliance Geo, right? It's having many stakeholders, right? So, and from Facebook, from Vista, from many other companies are investing in this company. So like that, Google also come up with an investment of 33,737 crore. Okay, so many students ask like whether we have to remember this amount. See, when there is many amounts, like many stakeholders, 15-20 stakeholders are coming up with their stakes and with their money to invest in a particular company, then there you have to remember their names. There is no need to remember their amounts and their percentage of stakes, right? But when there is a company, only one company is investing on a particular company, then their stakes and how much amount they have invested in that company, that you have to remember. Okay, so that is important. So here now, in this case, in Geo Platform, earlier it was just many less companies, like 2 to 3 companies are investing. That is okay, but now it becomes 6 to 7 companies. Okay, they are investing. So it is very difficult for us to remember, and also for the examiner it is very difficult to ask. Okay, they will not ask you this amount, so you just have to uh, remember which company has invested. Okay, okay, Google has invested. Again, another investment has come from Google in Geo Platform. Next question is Hope. You must have remember like Hope campaign. One more news for coming of Hope portal. Hope portal is of Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand also launched an Hope portal, right? But this is not that news. It is another news which is came from the same name, that is Hope. So what is it? It is UAE, United Arab Emirate. इसका जो है ना, ये फर्स्ट इंटरप्लानिटरी मिशन है. ओके, इनका फर्स्ट इंटरप्लानिटरी मिशन. ओके, interplanetary mission. So first of all, you have to you must be know that interplanetary mission means from one planet to another. Okay, it's basically a Mars orbiter. इनका ये पहला मिशन है. तो they must have they may be asked, interviewer or any examiner must ask you, hope this Hope mission is of which country. Okay, so you have to answer it, that is UAE. Okay, next question. So DRDO developed P7 heavy drop system. What is P7 heavy drop system? Another, it is a campaign which is being initiated by the DRDO, where it will be can drop from a helicopter some amount of load, okay, to the ground. So it is a indigenously built system, again heading towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, okay, another initiative for the Atmanirbhar Bharat, as guided by PM Narendra Modi ji. Okay, so DRDO being great, giving a great opportunity for India in terms of many technologies. So recently it has also developed its research center in IIT Hyderabad. So many IITs are also participating in this initiatives. Okay, so we should also support them. So this is the end of this one liner. On a daily basis I'll be providing you this one liner. See, many students and many students are commenting that your videos are very short, but here I must say that if you are referring to any other video, there must be a long video, but in our video we will see that there is a very proper content. We will not be talking about, we are not going to talk about any other factors. We are just focusing on current affairs. For current affairs you have to just remember the tactics and the points, okay, the keywords you have to remember. Only those keywords will be asked in your examination. You don't have to write the descriptive paper, okay. In descriptive paper I'll be giving you some portions, some content, but right now if you are giving an exam, so they will be asking you some MCQs, and MCQs is a keyword format, so only keyword you have to uh, learn, and that keywords I have provided with red and blue marked. Only those keywords you refer, okay, during your revision. Whenever you watch this video again, you just go through that red and blue marked words, which I make your work easy to understand or to remember this words, okay. Only this news will be sufficient and beneficial for you. So on a daily basis I'll be updating this video, okay, on current related to current affairs. So stay tuned and follow our channel, okay. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow. Good morning.